When your mechanic says, "It's the engine," everything changes. This isn't a small repair, it's a decision that could cost you tens of thousands of rands. In most cases, it means serious internal damage, like a seized engine or blown head gasket. And even if you fix it, there's no guarantee it won't happen again. When repair costs start matching or exceeding your car's value, it's time to rethink. What most people don't realize, you don't have to fix it to sell it. Brazen Auto buys cars with engine problems, even if they don't start. If you need to sell a car with engine problems, sell a non-running car, or sell a car that doesn't start, there's a simpler way. Get a free, no-obligation vehicle evaluation today and move forward without the repair costs.